Hi, I'm going to go through assignment 1 for week 9. So we have here that we have 3 articles, 1 handout. The directions say fill out the sections 1 through 3 using the provided articles. The ancient Rome government, it's telling us we need to use the article History of Ancient Rome for Kids, the Roman Republic. So let's go through that first one together. So I'm going to open up the handout I have right here. I already have my name, my cohort. The learning objective says, with the use of articles, I will be able to compare and contrast ancient Rome's and US governments. If you don't want to go back here and look for the article, I have also attached a link to the title so I could see it right here and open it up. Because I'm doing this on a computer, I can have half of the article on one side and then have the handout on the other half of the screen. So let's look at section number 1. It's asking us how many people could have this title and for how long, and what are they responsible for. We have the consuls, senators, and the plebeian consuls. And right here I have my article. And if I look at the little subtitles, I could already see that the consuls are right here. A really cool thing about this website is that if you go all the way to the bottom, towards the bottom, you can see that it could read it out loud for you. And you can kind of move this down and around. So consuls, at the top of the Roman Republic was the council. The council was a very powerful position. In order to keep the council from becoming a king or dictator, there were always 2 consuls elected, and they only served for 1 year. Also, the consul could veto each other if they did not agree on something. The consuls had a wide range of powers. They decided when to go to war, how much taxes to collect, and what the laws were. So how many people could have this title and for how long? So 2 people were elected. They were in power for 1 year. What are they responsible for? The consul had a wide range of powers. So things that they can control. So those are things they are responsible for. So decide when to go to war, how much taxes to collect, and create laws. And there we go. And now we can move on to the senators. The Senate was a group of prestigious leaders who advised the consul. The consul usually did what the Senate recommended. Senators were selected for life. So it doesn't tell us how many people could be part of this, but I can write it's a group of prestigious leaders. So a group of prestigious leaders and selected for life. It's right over here. And what are they responsible for? They advised. What does that mean, to advise? So I'm going to search it on, let's see if we could search up the definition. So I have define advised. Behave as someone, especially the speaker, who recommended sensible wise the department would be advised to do some research. So give suggestions, give advice. Advise the consul. So maybe they only have one responsibility that we can find. That's okay. And then you can work on for the plebeian consuls. And then here we have the one for the US government. That one I have, each article is for each branch here.